If you have not heard the news yet, Pablo Escobar's brother is attempting to fool everybody with a foldable phone scam that promises you a Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 replica for just $399. If you did not know already, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 currently sells for a hefty price tag of $2,000 plus tax. On the other hand, the Pablo Escobar branded Fold is actually the new version of the Samsung Fold 2, with a golden sticker on it with Escobar's name, selling for 1/5 of the price, which is $399. Sounds weird, right? You are probably wondering why the hell Pablo Escobar's brother chooses to lose $1,600 per sale. Are they laundering their money? Did they steal those phones from a Samsung warehouse and reselling them? Are they actually trying to disrupt the smartphone industry with their prices? The answer to all those questions is no. That's what they want you to believe, but the truth is otherwise. In this video, we will prove why we are confident that this one is a big scam. First of all, let us briefly explain who Pablo Escobar is in just 20 seconds. Pablo Emilio Escobar was a Colombian drug lord and narco-terrorist who founded and was a sole leader of the Medellin cartel. Escobar is the wealthiest criminal in history, having amassed an estimated net worth of $30 billion by the time of his death in 1993, which is equivalent to $59 billion as of today after inflation. And his drug cartel monopolized the cocaine trade into the United States in the 1980s and the 1990s. So now that you know the background of Pablo Escobar, let's get started. Proof number 1. Back in December 2019, users who ordered the Escobar Fold 1 device online have been reporting that their phones have not arrived yet, even after waiting 2 whole months. In other cases, the company simply mailed a book about Roberto's upcoming smartphone business, along with a pamphlet that promises the consumer will be upgraded to the Escobar Fold 2 shipment in March 2020. Proof number 2. Escobar Inc. only accepts payments as bank transfers or Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payments, with no credit card or PayPal payment options. This way, your payment can never be refunded and you will never be able to dispute or reverse your charges, since bank transfers and cryptocurrency payments offer no buyer protection whatsoever. Proof number 3. All videos posted on Escobar Inc.'s YouTube channel have their comments section turned off. This is to gain as much momentum from their YouTube videos without giving a chance to any of their angry customers to post their negative experience or warn people about this scam. Now, if that does not scream scam, I don't know what will.
Come you. The Pablo Escobar Fold 1. EscobarInc.com.
Proof number 4. All videos posted on Escobar's YouTube channel have no tech in mind whatsoever. Instead, all you will see is a bunch of Russian girls in their bikinis holding the phones and convincing you to buy it. Other videos include some paid endorsements from celebrities. So, do you really need to post a lot of paid endorsements just to sell your 80% discounted phone? Proof number 5. I have been personally keeping a close eye on who has received this Fold 2 device so far. And it looks like only some YouTubers have. And most of those YouTubers have an extremely big fan base, and that acts as an advertisement for Escobar to bait thousands of people into buying this scam, especially since their favorite YouTubers have reviewed it. Shame on you, Unbox Therapy. Shame on you too, Mr. Who's the Boss. Proof number 6. Escobar offers free worldwide shipping in order to bait everyone and not make the shipping fee a barrier for anyone to change their mind. Wherever you are in the world, you will not pay a cent for shipping. Isn't that weird, especially with an 80% discounted phone? I think it really is. So here is my final verdict. Here are some simple maths on how much Escobar have spent in order to steal millions of dollars from all around the globe. $5,000 to Russian models to make a cool and sexy ad for their so-called Fold 2. $10,000 by giving out 5 Samsung Galaxy Folds with Escobar golden stickers to YouTubers for reviews, which works as their only method of advertisement. $5,000 worth of printed catalogs and books which they temporarily shipped to thousands of people who ordered in an attempt to extend the scam period by giving people some hope that they will eventually receive something. Whoa, that's around $20,000 spent. But here's what the outcome is. Based on SimilarWeb.com, the scammer's website received a total of 231,550 visitors in the past 3 months alone. If we assume that 1% of those visitors actually made a purchase, which I assume is going to be a higher percentage anyways, then that will equate to 2,315 customers so far. Now, if we multiply 2,315 customers by $399, that equates to $923,685. And we are only getting started with this, as thousands of new customers fall into this trap every week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe and press the like button, as it really makes our day. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Peace out.